you don't know what can happen like tomorrow or whatever. So I think always like be positive to the others. Always be nice to the others. I met a girl, she was like really like friendly and like really like talking, and I was just like, oh, she's really nice. And I was living like close to her, and I didn't like the place there, so she was just like, hey, we have actually like a place, do you want to like live with us? And I was just like, yeah, why not? And you feel like kind of like a family, and that's what I kind of like needed as well, like after like being in Auckland stuck during the COVID in like small room. So being like part of the family was just like finally like calmness, like love, and like really appreciation that I can stay and say that I'm home somewhere, you know, like kind of that feeling that I'm home in the different country I didn't know anything about.